Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction with popular features and a good deal. Features also include remote start, premium sound system, sun moonroof, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2018 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, stability control, traction control, power passenger seat, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, tow hitch, remote engine start. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.